Hello dear students. Today we will discuss about our next topic, that is test, measurement and evaluation, under which we will discuss define test, measurement and evaluation, importance of test, measurement and evaluation in sports, calculation of BMI and waist hip ratio, cytotypes, endomorph, mesomorph and ectomorph, measurement of health related fitness. Before start our first subheading, that is definition of test, measurement and evaluation, we will just discuss about the introduction. What is all about? Test is a producer to access the ability of a person about his proficiency, his ability, achievement, speed, flexibility, and various other psycho-intellectual, psycho-physical traits. Tests are generally used to evaluate the performance of progress. Testing procedure involves the assessment, measurements, or evaluations of a concerned person on certain pre-designed criteria. A test scores are measured for guiding the students in the appropriate selection of sports or physical activity programs in accordance with their body potentials, and therefore test and measurements provides the basis for evaluation in sports and physical education. Test and measurement in physical education and sports are compulsory to evaluate the health and sports performance of a player. A player follows the program of his sports training according to his capabilities on the basis of result of measurements and evaluation. They provide information about the weaknesses and strength of a player and help in insertment of the health status and other parameters. So, test is a ability of a person, achievement, speed, flexibility. We can check through test the person's ability, achievement, speed, flexibility and various psycho-intellectual, psychophysical traits. So test is important in everywhere. Whatever, like we can check through this, that whatever we have learned, that how much we execute, so we can understand through test only. Test is very important so that we can judge our efficiency, our capacity, that how much we can learn and how much we can improve. So test is very important. Then measurement is also very important, because through measurement we can compare, like what is our performance earlier and what is our performance now. So how we can improve our performance, our ability, our achievement, anything. Like if I give example of your like studies, like maths tests. So teacher is taking test like weekly test, self-assessments, formative tests, so that teacher will also know that how much student will understand, how much student has grasp, and student also understand that that means whatever teacher has told the student, that should be in execution, what they have learned or not. So this is all about test and measurement. We will use measurement for comparison. Like if I'm taking example of races, so we can, like, first before training, if a person is able to run 100-meter in 17 seconds, and after training if he improves, so maybe he or she reduces the reduces the duration, timing, like maybe he's 12 or 13. So you can easily, because you have taken a measurement, that's why you are easy to compare your performance only. So measurement is very important. Fine. And evaluation is the last part, because through evaluation you can know that you have to evaluate one's performance with another, and for the evaluation you can check your performance also and other person's performance also. So evaluation is very important. Now we will discuss about the definition of test, measurement and evaluation. First is meaning of test. Test is the use of producers and techniques to collect information or data about a specific skill or fitness level of an individual, or we can say that it is a procedure or technique used to obtain a response from the sportsperson in order to gain information that is used as a basis for appraisal of the quantity or quality of elements like fitness, skills, values and knowledge. Fine. A test is a commonly defined as tool or instrument of measurement that is used to obtain data about a specific trait or characteristics. A test is a device or technique used to measure the performance, skill level or knowledge of a learner on a specific subject matter. So, test is an instrument or a tool for measurement. Through test, we can measure somebody's data, somebody's performance, somebody's level, technique, skill, knowledge about a specific matter. So, test is a tool to measure. Test is a special process through which a player's components, fitness expertise, knowledge and values are put to use. For the aim of a good planning, test is an important tool in physical education. There are different types of tests in the field of physical education and sports, such as AFER Youth Fitness Test, Brady's Volleyball Playing Ability Test, etc. There are many tests in physical education where you can check the check or judge or examine the player's ability, efficiency, or improvement in various games and sports. Fine. Now, the definition of test. According to Webster's dictionary, a test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacities, or aptitudes of an individual or a group. According to Barry Lee Johnson and Jack Nelson, test is the form of questioning or measuring used to assess retention of knowledge, capacity, or ability to some endeavor. So, different writers, different authors give different definitions, have different perception, different idea, different mode of seeing test in their way. So this is all about test. Next is measurement. Measurement is an aid to evaluate. It consists of numerical values or scientific scores known as raw score. Measurement is an aid to evaluate. It consists of numerical values or specific scores known as raw scores. Measurement is a method of evaluation that records an individual's responses in specific units of measurement such as speed in seconds, weight in pounds and kilograms, height in meters or inches, etc. Similarly, players' ability are measured. For example, how far and how high a player can jump, how much weight a weightlifter can lift, and how fast a runner can run in a 100-meter race. So we can measure a player's capacity, his efficiency in many ways like jump, throws and lifters, or skill or technique. On the basis of the above example, we can say that measurement is a tool through which a player's level of performance, his fitness ability, knowledge and skill are measured. This is all about the meaning of measurement. Now we will discuss about the definition of measurement. So according to the Barry L. Johnson or Jack Nelson, measurement aids evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used in collection of data. According to H.M. Barrow, measurement refers to a process of administrating a test to obtain qualitative data. This is all about measurement. Now we will discuss about evaluation. Evaluation is a systematic and objective assessment of an ongoing or completed project, program or policy, its design, implementation and result. The aim is to determine the sequence and fulfillment of objectives, efficiency, effectiveness, impact and sustainability to set out in the evaluation policy. Tests and measurements are prerequisites for evaluation. A systematic, rigorous and meticulous application of scientific methods to assess the design, implementation, improvement or outcome of a program is called evaluation. So for evaluation, test and measurement is very important. If we are not conducting a test and we have not taken any measurements, so we cannot evaluate anything. So test and measurement is very important for evaluation. It is a resource intensive process, frequently requiring resources such as evaluating expertise, labor time, and a sizable budget. In this way, we can see that the evaluation is a suitable and continuous process of decision making. Evaluation helps to find out the strength and weakness of the program. Evaluation includes different types of tests and human relations. It is based on the data provided through test. So now we will discuss about the definition of evaluation. According to Shuffleboard, a systematic assessment of a planned, ongoing, or completed intervention to determine its relevance, efficiency, effectiveness, impact, and sustainability is evaluation. According to H.M. Barrow and McGee, the art of judgment scientifically applied to some trait, quality, or characteristics in the universe according to some predetermined standards is evaluation. So this is all about the definition and meaning of test, measurement, and evaluation. Now, objectives of test, measurement, and evaluation. So why we are conducting this test, measurement, and evaluation? So these are to evaluate the expected feedback behavior of someone, to provide the four players, to know the difficulty level, to evaluate the ability and capacities of a person. Evaluation helps in purpose use of teaching technique and all activities in schools. Evaluation helps to evaluate both teaching and learning to help the overall development of students. So this is all about the meaning, definition, and objectives of test, measurement, and evaluation. I hope you will understand well, and we will discuss next topic next time. By the time, bye bye, and keep watching my videos.